Hello wood mice and dormice, and welcome back to this week's maths learning. On the screen in front of you, you will see that there are 4 different images. One of these 4 images is the odd one out. I'm going to give you some time to have a look at the 4 different images and decide which one is the odd one out. You can tell the grown-up at home which is the odd one out, and also like you to tell them why that one is the odd one out. So I'm going to give some time. If you need a bit longer, remember you can always pause the video. Let's have a little look then. Have you found the odd one out? I'm going to start with this image here of our tens frame. So looking at the tens frame, we can see that we have got a 5 and a 3. 5 and a 3. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So in total, I have got 8. This image is showing me 8. 8 counters in my tens frame. Going to have a look now at the eggs in the egg box. What do you notice? I notice a 3 and a 3. And thinking back to our learning about 6 last week, remember that 3 and 3 is 6. Looking now at our domino, remember we use the spots all together. So this is one domino. This side we can see 4, and this side we can see another 4. So you've got 4 and 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this image is also showing 8 spots on the dominoes. Let's have a look now at our last one. We've got a Numicon piece. I can see another 4 and a 4, or you might see it as a 2, 2 and a 2 and a 2. All together, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this Numicon piece is also showing 8. So our odd one out must be our eggs in our egg box, because this image is showing 6. All the other images are showing 8. Let's have a go at another one. So looking at these images this time, can you decide which one is the odd one out, and can you say why? So I'll give you some time. Just like last time, remember, you can always pause the video if you need longer. Have you found the odd one out? Let's start by looking at our domino here. What do you notice about this domino? We've got 5, so just like they're laid out on a dice, we have got 5 on this side of the domino and 5 on this side of our domino. So all together we have got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So on this domino we have got 10. Let's have a look at our tens frame. Do we need to count the spots on our tens frame? We can see that our tens frame is full. It takes up to 10, so this one must be 10, as our tens frame is full. What can we see here with our Numicon? We can see an 8, exactly like our 8 here, and 2. 8 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 and 2 is 10. Let's go to our last domino. This side we have got 2. This side we have got a 3 and a 3, which is 6. So we've got a 2 and a 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this image is showing 8. So this one, a domino piece, must be our odd one out because it is showing 8. All of our others are showing 10. Very similar to an activity we did last week. we are going to do a sorting activity, this time sorting images of 8, 9 and 10. So we've been looking at a few earlier on in the week, and that should help you with this activity. So I'm going to do a few with you, and then you can go off and use the activity that we've attached to resources to have a go by yourselves. This one here, I can see 5 on top of my tens frame and a 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is 5 and 4 more, so I'm going to put that with a 9. Looking now at this image here, 4 and a 4. 4 and 4, 8. So that image is showing 8. Pop it over here in the 8 column. And I'm left with this one here. What can we see here? Also, we just looked at this image. We've got 5 and a 5. 5 and 5 is 10. So I've sorted those for you, and your challenge now is you're going to sort the rest on the activity that we have given to you. As you're doing it, have a little look and talk to your grown up about what you notice. So do you notice a 4 and a 4? Maybe a 5 and a 4? Or maybe a 5 and a 5 if it is an image of 10. Once you've done that, you can ask your grown up to take a picture, and so we can see your learning, and write us a comment to tell us how you got on.